Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a scrolling image video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to create a picture collage. So I'm going to go to the edit photo menu and I'm going to choose collage. And for the pictures or for the photos, I'm going to pick random photos from my gallery. Okay, like this, and we're going to click on create and choose the layout. I'm going to choose this layout, and then we're going to change the ratio. For the ratio, I'm going to choose 9:16 ratio. Okay, and you can create another collage guys, but I'm just going to use the same collage for my video. Okay, done. And then I'm going to create new project, video project, and we're going to import the photo collage we have just created. Okay, and then I'm going to add keyframe. I'm going to add the keyframe to the beginning and to the end of the collage as well, and then you're going to move it up like this until it's out of frame. Okay, and then you're going to put the second collage. I'm just going to use the same collage. I'm going to select overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to use this one. All right, and we're going to zoom in to fit the screen like this, and again we're going to add keyframe. You're going to go to the end part, add keyframe, and go to the first part, add keyframe, and you're going to move it down until it's out of frame like this, and it will create something like this guys. Okay, oops, sorry. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. And if you want to make the movement slower, you can just extend the duration. Okay, this is so fast. You can customize the movement by customizing the duration. Just extend the duration if you want to make it or make them slower. Okay, and just like that. Okay guys, and that's how we can create the scrolling image video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.